Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Pisces. Sorry, I can't stop looking at myself. I look so cute. Today's video is gonna be my updated ball cap method. I used to do ball cap methods in the beginning of my videos, and my methods have changed a little bit. So I just wanted to show you guys my new updated method and all the differences in it and how to achieve flawless install. Like so. Continue watching this video if you would like to see all of that, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you do that, because why wouldn't you subscribe? We have fun here. This is a safe space. You would love it here. Continue watching, and thank you, and I'll see you at the end. Goodbye. Okay, so for this tutorial we're only going to need 3 things. That is your wig cap, some scissors, and some got-to-be glued freeze spray. I'm going to take the wig cap out. Sometimes I actually do get dark wig caps, which is really helpful because then I don't have to put makeup on it. Since this one isn't a dark one, we're going to put makeup on it. I'm going to start by pulling the wig cap all the way down. Well, the first thing you want to do is make sure your hair is slicked back and that it won't like get in the way of anything. Put this all the way over my ears. I don't know why this wig cap is like orange. I don't like the orange wig cap. So I'm going to use this beige colored one. I'm going to put it all the way over my ears and my forehead, just so that it's like pulling where we need it to pull. I zoomed it in a little bit so you guys can see a little bit better. But I'm taking the freeze spray and I'm going to spray it all around my hairline, including right here and right here. If this is your first time doing a ball cap method, I know my first time when I sprayed this, like I didn't know how to spray it right and it just went everywhere. So you're going to want to spray it like really gentle so that it streams not everywhere, just in like the places you want it to go. And you're also going to want to hold it really close to your head. Spraying it on there. Blow dryer, it has a setting of high, but I usually just like hold the button that says cool to make it like a medium heat. So if you have a medium heat, I suggest doing that. I blow dried it for about 2 minutes. I'm not gonna cut it off just yet. What I'm gonna do is cut little slots for the ears, so that we can get this part stuck all the way down. I know that used to be a problem that I used to have, was getting the sides stuck down on my wig ball cap. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Cut that little hole. There we go. And now I'm gonna take the spray and spray it in the same places once again and blow dry it once again. Now that our wig cap is completely dry, I did that run, I went for about 5 and 6 minutes because it's extra wet, especially on the sides after you do it 2 times. I'm going to take my scissors and cut this off. I start in the middle just to like do half and half, and then I kind of peel back as I go, because I always do a little bit extra. I always spray a little bit extra so that I can peel it back and decide how much I want to keep on there. So I'm just going to peel back and cut. Take your time. You do not have to rush this because you do not want to risk cutting your hair or cutting your skin. Period. I'm going to do the other side. Okay, now we're basically all done. The only step left is to put makeup around the edges. It's optional, but you can put got2b glue gel around the edges and then blow dry one more time, but I find that it really doesn't make a difference, especially if you're putting your makeup on top of it. I use a foundation that's a little bit lighter than my skin. It's by HAIRLINE. And then I apply it with a beauty blender, dip the beauty blender in it, and then pat away. There we have it. This is the finished product of the ball cap. So now I'm about to put my wig on. The hair that I'm using today is a beautiful 26-inch Brazilian curly from Alipearl hair. Alipearl hair. Yep, there we go. The best. I'm gonna do, you guys know the drill already. Every time I do the same thing. I'm just gonna adjust the straps and plop this baby on. Since this was not the focal point of the video, I'm just gonna speed through it and you guys can watch it at your leisure. And I'll show you how I style it and maintain the curls. But yeah, okay. I want to show you guys the length of this wig. How long it is. Look how fluffy it is. Oh, wow. This is like my favorite. I mean, look at this hair quality. Unmatched. So this is how the wig turned out. This is how the scalp turned out. As you can see, it is basically scalp. It looks like scalp. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel while you're here so you can see more of these types of videos if you like them and if you want to see them. Yeah, thank you in advance for that, and I'll see you guys in the next video.